Do you believe that safety managers from different companies often conclude different root causes and solutions for identical accident? Hi, I am Rajendra Utturkar, the author of the book Earn or Burn Your Profits. I am on a mission to help the chemical plant facility owners and their management teams for safe and efficient plant operations. As a process plant owner, your acute awareness about the plant operation responsibilities is beyond question. I am sure, apart from carrying safe plant operation 24/7, 365 days, you must be paying specific attention not to harm the environment. For operating a plant facility safely, the tool employed is safety management system. The safety management system in a chemical process industry has evolved considerably since the first plant was installed more than 125 years ago. Through various safety reviews, safety professionals try to identify the root causes of likely unsafe situations. It enables them to arrive at most optimal solutions and arrest similar scenarios in future. Most of the companies aim at achieving the highest safety standard, and hence it will be of interest to study how different companies handle identical unsafe situations. Consider a plant emergency scenario where operating teams in all these companies are busy taking plant shutdown. Further consider that these companies are of varying sizes, having different production capacities, and are at different stages of business growth. Now imagine identical unsafe situation in all these companies and how their safety manager respond to the accident. Let me describe the identical unsafe situation now. While handling an emergency plant shutdown, one operator tumbles on a wall spanner, causing a physical impact and injury to him. When such an incident takes place, typically a safety manager will analyze the situation thoroughly to identify three basic parameters, namely accident, root cause, and damage. Let us try to understand these three terms for the unsafe situation that took place in all these companies. You will observe that almost all safety professionals would have a matching answer for their conclusion on accident and damage. The operator tumbling on a wall spanner is the apparent reason seen by everybody, causing a physical impact and injury. And hence, the event, the operator tumbling, is an accident. The physical harm to the operator is a damage. The agreement seen for the terms an accident and damage is not seen in case of root causes. The conclusion about root causes differ a lot, leading to varying solutions for the same accident. Let us verify this by visiting the safety managers of all these companies. Are you ready? The first safety manager says the operator was not attentive. He confirmed the root cause that it's a sheer operator mistake. He closes the file. Isn't it a fair decision? Let us visit the second company. The safety manager points fingers at improper piping layout. Due to cumbersome piping layout, the operator could not grasp the plant system. In a hurry of emergency operation, he tumbled on the wall spanner. Unergonomical layout of the plant facility is the root cause. Isn't it a more convincing root cause than before? The safety manager from the third company, he says, the piping will always be cumbersome. However, the operator was not trained enough on the plant facility. This is a HR problem. Do you think the root cause identification is taking too much turns? Let us visit one last company. The safety manager says everything was just fine. There was no problem with either the operator skills or the piping layout or the training. He further adds, the organization should have conducted regular drills practicing for the dynamic situations such as emergency shutdown. Here, it is a totally an organizational failure. Are you now sufficiently confused? It is a fact that safety managers from different companies often conclude different root causes for identical accidents. The real problem is thereafter. The solution based on different root causes for identical accidents are different. The confusion begins here. The problem is that which root cause is the correct one and which solution is the right one. Does it mean the safety needs are different for different organizations? Can we apply same systems to different organizations? If you are a safety professional and changing your job from one company to another, how do you handle such a varying root cause situation? Would you like to get answers to all such questions? It is well answered in my book, Earn or Burn Your Profits. Please go and buy your copy of the book. A link is given below to buy the book. Before that, please leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experience about this video. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to avoid missing any of my videos I make especially for you. Till then, here is Rajendra Utturkar signing off for now and see you in my next video.